Hey everyone, what you're seeing on my screen is Tactics project screen. A project contains your accounts, team searches, and enrichment. As you can see on my screen, I have different projects for accounts by country, inbound accounts, competitors, partnerships, whole territory runs. Basically, you can use different projects to keep your data tidy. Okay? So to create a project, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the new projects button, then you're going to name your account. So let's say France Q3. Okay. So from here, you're going to be adding accounts. What you're going to do is click on the add account button and put in a company's name. For example, Apple, apple.com. Okay. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the People's tab, and here you're going to add the different teams that you would want to see. For example, the finance team. And then last but not least is the enrichment tab, and here there are many ways to look up different data, but basically there's a data marketplace. You can look for some important things for you here, and you can also put in different keywords. Another important thing is you can change the time filter here to make sure that all the information that is coming is relevant. Okay, so once you've come up with the settings of your projects that are good, what you can do is you can either copy your project, you can delete the project, you can make a project a template so that your colleagues can always see it, or you can also add the email of your colleague to make sure that it actually appears in their project screen and they can use it by themselves. So that's the projects feature. Thank you.